Boss, I can't believe you're making me do this at a certain time at night. Well, don't you want to smell clean? Well, yeah. Well then, that's why we're doing this. We gotta make that clean washer reminder light turn off. You do realize that there's a button to turn it off, right? Yeah, but I don't really use it that much. But still, I don't know why we're doing this at 9 o'clock at night. Oh, come on, boys. Cleaning your tub is like having an awesome day at the spa. Well, if it's like having an awesome day at the spa, then can someone please explain to me why we have to use washer cleaner instead of shampoo and conditioner? Um, because do you know why we use washing machine cleaner instead of detergent to clean your tub? No. Is it because the clean washer stuff has chemicals in it? Well, yeah, special type of chemicals. We don't use shampoo or conditioner to clean your tub. That's just stupid. You know what? You're right. That does sound kind of stupid. I love it when you do that. Yeah, just think about it, Morsa. Just pretend that you are at the spa having a nice soothing bath. Okay, I'll try. Yeah. Matter of fact, I wish I could go to the spa myself.